So what impact will this extended contract bring?
It means that the oil production will resume in the areas that where we had shut down. The oil production increase will now be increased because we used to produce 350,000 barrels a day in South Sudan. But now we are producing only 130,000 barrels a day because of the crisis. I wanted to take it back to where it was, or even more, because we are capable of producing more than 350,000 barrels a day. We can produce 500,000 or even a million.
Well, as we know, South Sudan has abundant oil resources, but a lack of infrastructures, including refineries, pipelines, and ports. So your government has been trying to build a pipeline connecting the capital to Kenya to deliver the oil. So how's this program progressing so far?
Well, the Republic of South Sudan and the Republic of Sudan, we are friends. We are close friends. We are brothers and sisters. Currently, we are using the pipeline that is going to Sudan, and we are exporting our oil through Port Sudan. So we will continue to use that pipeline. If there are new discoveries in the country, because that's why I also extended the oil exploration time for the CNPC and Petronas to explore and ORGC. So for me, currently we will be using the pipe that is going to Port Sudan. The other alternative pipelines will actually be put on hold until there are new discoveries.
Recently, there's a new deal between your country and the Sudan has reached about the pipeline. Can you tell us more about this new deal? And are you happy with it?
Yes, I'm very happy with it because the deal is basically strengthening the relation between Sudan and South Sudan in the oil industry. We will continue to use the pipeline. We will also continue to pay Sudan the transitional financial arrangement. It is an assistance to Sudan. We will be paying it. In return, we will be borrowing power from Sudan to South Sudan to resume the oil production. We will also be using the base camp that are in Sudan for my oil workers in the Republic of South Sudan. We will be also importing critical materials from Sudan to South Sudan. So that is the relation that we have, and that's the agreement that I have signed with the Sudan government.
Sudan will also charge a fee for your oil. How much is that? Are you happy with the price?
Well, these are commercial terms. I'm not happy with it. If there is a way to renegotiate it and reduce it, because there are two fees. One is the transitional financial arrangement. This is $15 per barrel. And then the other ones are commercial fees, transportation, transit, and processing fees. These are three fees in one. So one pipeline is $9.1 a barrel. The other one is $11 a barrel. These are the fees that Sudan is charging us.